Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Art at Home with Mrs. Young. Today I come to you from the great outdoors. Yes, I'm in my backyard because today we are going to do a piece of art that doesn't require any art materials except for what you find in nature.
Allow me to introduce you to British artist Andy Goldsworthy. He is a sculptor, photographer, and environmental artist. Goldsworthy is an important artist in the land art movement, a type of temporary art using nature. Much of his art was made using only his bare hands, teeth, and any tools from nature he happened to find. Goldsworthy's art materials include flowers, mud or dirt, ice, leaves, twigs, pebbles, boulders, snow, bark, grass, pine cones, water, and more. Anything he finds in nature may be used in his creations. His art is often temporary, meaning it only lasts for a limited time. Because of this, photography plays a key role in sharing his artwork. He captures his art in photographs before it decays, blows away, washes away, or melts away. Andy Goldsworthy uses all the elements of art throughout his work. Line, color, space, texture, shape, value, and form.
Okay, I bet you can guess what we're gonna do next. I want you to collect a variety of items from either your backyard, go on a nature walk, go to your local park, wherever you go out in nature and collect some items. I want you to be thinking about your composition. Are you going to focus on lines? Are you going to focus on color? Are you going to focus on value? Are you going to focus on shape? Or maybe you'll build a sculpture and focus on form. Think about that when you're collecting your items. All right, are you ready? Let's go. I said let's go. Are you coming? Be sure to create your Andy Goldsworthy inspired design away from the wind so that your design doesn't instantly get blown away. When your masterpiece is complete, don't forget to document it with a camera. I can't wait to see your finished designs and your pictures of you with your environmental Andy Goldsworthy inspired design. Have fun!